who steals from freedom fighters. A fresh FIR has been filed against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in the National Herald scam, and this time the trail is documented, notarized, and undeniable. The FIR was registered on October 3, 2025 by the Delhi Police Economic Offences Wing on a formal complaint from the Enforcement Directorate. The FIR named Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Suman Dubey, Sam Pitroda, Young Indian, Dotex Merchandise, Sunil Bhandari, and Associated Journals Limited. Charges are criminal conspiracy, cheating, breach of trust, dishonest misappropriation, and fraud. Here is the crime in plain language. Associated Journals Limited was drowning in debt. The All India Congress Committee had loaned it 90.21 crore rupees. Instead of recovering that money, Congress handed the entire loan over for just 50 lakh rupees to a shell company called Young Indian, which is controlled by Sonia and Rahul and holds 76%. Immediately after, AJL converted the 90.21 crore loan into 9.02 crore shares, and Young Indian was issued 99% of those shares. And the result was properties worth over 2,000 crore rupees across Delhi, Mumbai, Lucknow and Patna were taken over for the price of a mid-range flat. Freedom fighters built the National Herald. Dynasts looted it. The public legacy became private real estate. The FIR calls it exactly what it is: a planned conspiracy to hijack assets and defraud AJL shareholders and public donors. The numbers strike harder than any slogan. 90.21 crore public funds written off, 2,000 crore assets transferred, 5,000 crore current value under attachment. ED has already attached multiple AJL and Young Indian properties. And despite a decade of legal stalling, no court has stayed proceedings. Not once, not ever. Congress shouts vendetta because they cannot shout innocence. For 70 years, they believed the law was optional and power was inherited. Now, the law has reached the gates of the Gandhi Parivar. A corrupt dynasty is cornered, the mask is off, and answers are due. No more royalty, no more immunity. Time to pay.